Welcome back to the channel, folks. This is Daily Update from Mullen Stock, and I got some exciting news to want to share with you guys. The first one being is that we did not go to 7 cents. If you have been following me, you already know that my stop loss is 7 cents, and I was really hoping that we don't go to 7 cents because 8 cents was the new lowest, the lowest we had in 52 weeks, and I was really hoping that, you know what, at this point, it's a falling knife. A lot of retail investors are coming out of the position. I was really hoping that we don't do that, but good thing is we did not do that. Now, the other good news is we broke the 9 cents level, which I was really hoping that they do because this is crucial, all right? This means that buyers are coming back in. And the very exciting news is that, see what's going on with the aftermarket. Oh my God, we got the stock going to 12 cents. You know what that means? That means that we're going to be money tomorrow. I think we're going to have a good run for the stock tomorrow because there is no news catalyst. There's nothing exciting came out from Mullen. They did not introduce anything. We're still waiting for the Class 1 EVs to be delivered to Randy Marion, which is March 31st. But even without that, you know, the stock is 12 cents. You know what that means? That means that fear of missing out is coming in. A lot of folks are thinking that, you know what if the stock goes to $1? They don't want to miss on that. And this is what we like, you know, because at the end of the day, I got my stocks around 10 cents, 11 cents is between that. And I'm money right now, okay? So I'm going to wait till tomorrow because if you follow me, you already know that we have these levels here that I want to show you guys. These were demand levels at one point, which means there were a lot of buyers were at that levels, right? And I'll be following this from a long time now. And you already know this. And this is what I'm waiting for. I am waiting for the stock to go to 22 cents, 23 cents, and I'm going to come out of my position, at least half of it. You know, I want to make that money and come out, and because I know the stock is going to come down. I do believe that they might not be able to deliver the EVs on the 31st. So I do believe that. So if they don't do that, March 31st is going to start tumbling down. But we want to make the best use of this. This is aftermarket, guys. Look right here. 2.7 million shares were bought and aftermarket. All right. 1.9 million aftermarket. Okay. 366,000. That's a lot of volume being purchased aftermarket. You know, there's not a lot of traders can do that. At least retail investors. I know a lot of people, if you're using Robinhood and things like that, you really can't really trade aftermarket. But even then, you got a lot of volume being traded at this point. So I am really optimistic. If I go to 30 minutes right now, RSI is at 73. MACD's up. Let's go to 4 hours for a quick minute. Look at this. MACD's popping up, which means I am really, really anticipating the stock to go to 15 cents. If it crosses 15 cents, the next stop is 16 cents. If it crosses 16, 18 cents is the next stop. 20 cents is the next stop. So these are the levels I have here. It goes by 2 cents increment, okay? So looking at the MACD, looking at the EMA, looking at the RSI on a 4 hour, I do believe that tomorrow we're going to have a good run. We're way above the VWAP right now, which is a good sign. It is acting as a support right now, and I do feel that we're going to break that 12 cents tomorrow. So definitely check out the stock tomorrow. And again, there's a lot of fear of missing out. This is the good thing, right? At least you feed off of that. Make your money and come out. And this is my advice, not a financial one, but just as a friendly advice. Make your money and get out of the position because Mullen, I believe, has a long way to go. So let's make that money on the meme stock, and we'll be out. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.